Hi everybody. All right, today I've got a book that I remember reading when I was a little girl. My parents would read it to me all the time before I went to sleep. And this one is called The Baby BeeBee Bird. Okay, and this one was written by Diane, Redfield, Massie, and the pictures are by Kellogg. Okay. Now I like this book because of all the animals that are in it. Okay. Let's see. The animals at the zoo had roared and growled and hissed and meowed all day long, and they were very tired. They're saying, oompa, roar, eek, eek, woof, woof, arga, arga, abba, 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 sss, woof, woof, woof. It's 8 o'clock, yawned the elephant. And he settled down in his big hay bed. I've eaten 562 peanuts today. Wow, he said. But no one heard him. They were all fast asleep. The zoo was very still until... Beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby. What? Said the elephant. Is that? Look how startled he is. They woke him up. It's the baby BeeBee bird, said the giraffe. He's new to the zoo. Well, tell him to be quiet, growled the leopard. I want to sleep. Oh no. Beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby. Be quiet, please, said the giraffe politely. But I can't, said the BeeBee bird. I'm wide awake. Uh-oh. It's nighttime and this little BeeBee bird is wide awake. Beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby. Quiet! Roared the lion. Oh man, look how angry he is. He's wide awake, explained the giraffe. Why isn't he tired like the rest of us? Moaned the bear. I wonder why. Why do you think that this little BeeBee bird might not be sleepy? Let's see. Beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby. Aren't you tired? Asked the giraffe. No, said the BeeBee bird. I've slept all day long and now it's time for me to sing. Oh dear, said the elephant, and I'm so sleepy. Look, I have a visitor here today. Another little kitty of mine. All right, kitty, get out of the way so I can finish my story. Okay, so let's see. The elephant is really sleepy. What are they going to do about this BeeBee bird? Beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby. Quiet! Shouted all the animals. Beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby. We can't sleep. They are so cranky and tired because they need to go to bed. Oh, here's the kitty again. They're so sleepy. The sun rose in the morning on a very tired zoo. Why are they so tired? Because they didn't sleep at all last night. They couldn't sleep with all the noise. What can be the matter? Cried the keeper. The elephant is still lying down. The lion's paws are over his eyes. The eagle isn't screeching. Oh dear me, the animals must be sick, he wailed, and he hurried away. So he is worried about all his animals. He doesn't know why they aren't up and making noise yet. Beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, said the baby BeeBee bird cheerfully, and he settled down for his morning nap. Beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby, beep-beep bobby. Zzz. And look, he fell asleep. The lion whispered to the bear. I have a plan, he said. The bear nodded and whispered the plan to the others. The BeeBee bird was at last asleep. What do you you think the animals are planning to do? BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, roared the lion. BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, trumpeted the elephant. BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, bellowed the bears. BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, sang all the animals together. Quiet, said the BeeBee bird. Can't you see that I'm sleeping? It's time for my nap. Oh, look, he got awake and he is feeling frustrated. They woke him up. BeeBee Bobby, yelled the hippos. BeeBee Bobby, shrieked the seals. BeeBee Bobby, thundered the moose and the water buffalo. BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, they roared. The keeper came running with his arms in the air. Something is wrong. Something is very wrong, he shouted with all the animals. Whatever shall I do? And he jumped up and down in alarm. BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, sang the animals all day long. And the baby BeeBee bird simply could not sleep at all. Why couldn't he sleep? There was too much noise. BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby. The sun went down and the moon came up. BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee, BeeBee Bobby, whispered the lion, who was too tired to roar. BeeBee Bobby, sighed the bear as he closed his eyes. BeeBee Bobby, mumbled the elephant half to himself, and then all was still. What happened? All their eyes are closed. The moon shone down upon the sleeping zoo. Not an ear or a tail or a whisker moved. They're finally asleep. And high, high up in the linden tree, a tiny bird inside a leaf was half asleep. You see? And now every day at the zoo you can hear BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby in between the lion's roars. BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby. Roar! Oompa, oompa, eek! They're all making their own noises now, but look, the BeeBee bird is doing it during the daytime. But at night, there is never a sound. Nighttime is really the best for sleeping, especially for very little birds. The end. So they got the BeeBee bird to sleep at night instead of during the day. And they're all on the same sleep schedule now. All right, let's say goodbye, Penny. All right, bye. We'll see you next time.